garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating captivating outdoor spaces. Today, we embark on an exciting exploration into the realm of garden design, focusing on mesmerizing focal point called the Firepit. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. Integrating a fire pit into your garden transcends mere functionality. It is about crafting an experience, a destination within your landscape that invites connection, relaxation, and the simple joy of gathering around a flickering flame. Join us as we delve into the concept behind this enchanting feature and unveil 10 exceptional design ideas to ignite your imagination. The concept underpinning a garden design that incorporates a fire pit is rooted in the primal human attraction to fire. For millennia, fire has been a central element of human life, providing warmth, protection, and a gathering point for community. Translating this ancient connection into our modern gardens creates a space that resonates with these deep-seated instincts. A fire pit becomes the heart of your outdoor living area, a beacon that draws people together, fostering conversation and a sense of convivial intimacy. Choosing to incorporate a fire pit into your garden design offers a multitude of compelling advantages. Firstly, it extends the usability of your outdoor space far beyond the warmer months. As the evenings grow cooler, a fire pit provides a comforting warmth, allowing you to enjoy your garden in the crisp air of autumn and even on mild winter nights. This extended season of enjoyment maximizes your investment in your outdoor space. Secondly, a fire pit serves as a powerful aesthetic anchor. Its presence inherently creates a focal point, around which the rest of the garden design can be thoughtfully arranged. The visual appeal of dancing flames and the structure of the fire pit itself add depth, texture, and a touch of drama to the landscape. Furthermore, a fire pit enhances the social aspect of your garden. It provides a natural gathering place for family and friends, perfect for sharing stories, enjoying refreshments, or simply basking in the tranquil ambiance. It transforms your garden into an entertainment hub, fostering memorable moments and strengthening connections. Beyond its functional and social benefits, a well-designed fire pit can also subtly increase the value of your property by adding a desirable and functional outdoor living feature. It signals a thoughtful approach to outdoor design and an investment in creating a welcoming and enjoyable environment. Let us now explore 10 distinct garden design ideas that beautifully integrate a fire pit, each offering a unique aesthetic and functional appeal. 1. The rustic stone circle. This design embodies simplicity and natural charm. Large Neobrabotany stones are arranged in a circular formation to contain the fire. The surrounding area can be finished with gravel or wood chips, and seating is often provided by simple log benches or Adirondack chairs. This design evokes a classic campfire feel, perfect for informal gatherings and a relaxed atmosphere. Consider planting native grasses and wildflowers around the perimeter to enhance the natural aesthetic. 2. The elegant built-in seating ensemble. For a more permanent and sophisticated look, a built-in fire pit surrounded by custom-designed seating walls constructed from stone, brick, or concrete offers both style and functionality. The seating can incorporate comfortable cushions and even integrated storage for firewood or blankets. This design creates a defined outdoor living room, ideal for both intimate conversations and larger gatherings. Incorporating low-voltage landscape lighting along the seating walls adds to the evening ambiance and safety. 3. The modern Corten steel statement. Embracing contemporary design, a fire pit crafted from weathering steel, Corten steel, develops. A rich, rusty patina over time, adding an industrial yet artistic element to the garden. Its sharp lines and robust presence make it a striking focal point. Pair it with minimalist concrete pavers and sleek outdoor furniture for a sophisticated and uncluttered aesthetic. Consider adding architectural grasses or succulents for contrasting textures. Four, the sunken fire pit lounge. Creating a sunken area for the fire pit offers a unique and intimate setting. The lowered space can be surrounded by built-in benches or comfortable outdoor sofas, fostering a sense of enclosure and encouraging close interaction. Access can be via wide, shallow steps, and the surrounding ground can be paved with natural stone or pebbles. This design creates a dramatic and cozy outdoor retreat. Ensure proper drainage is considered for sunken areas. 5. The multi-level entertaining space. Integrate the fire pit into a multi-level patio design. The upper level could feature an outdoor dining area, while a few steps down lead to a lower level centered around the fire pit with comfortable lounge seating. This design creates distinct zones for different activities while maintaining a cohesive flow. Use consistent paving materials and complementary planting schemes to unify the spaces. Six, the garden oasis with water feature accent. Juxtapose the element of fire with the tranquility of water. Position a fire pit near a small pond, a trickling fountain, or a reflecting pool. The contrasting elements create a sensory-rich environment, with the flickering flames dancing against the calming presence of water. Use natural materials like river stones and lush greenery to enhance the serene atmosphere. Ensure safe distances between the fire pit and any water features. 7. The portable fire bowl with flexible arrangement. For those who prefer versatility, a standalone fire bowl offers flexibility in placement and style. These come in various materials, from copper to cast iron, and can be moved as needed. Surround it with a variety of movable seating options, such as lightweight chairs or poufs, allowing for adaptable configurations for different occasions. This is an excellent option for smaller gardens or for those who like to rearrange their outdoor space frequently. 8. The fire pit table for dual functionality. Combining a table with a built-in fire pit offers a practical and stylish solution. These are ideal for smaller spaces or for those who want a multifunctional piece of furniture. They can serve as a coffee table or dining table when the fire is not in use and transform into a cozy gathering spot with the flick of a switch for gas-powered models or the addition of wood. Choose materials and styles that complement your existing patio furniture. 9. The natural stone fire pit with native planting. Embrace a naturalistic approach by constructing a fire pit from locally sourced stones and surrounding it with native plants that thrive in your region. This design seamlessly integrates the fire pit into the existing landscape, creating a harmonious and ecologically friendly space. Consider incorporating drought-tolerant species and permeable ground cover. 10. The geometric fire pit with integrated planters. Introduce a modern and architectural element with a square or rectangular fire pit that incorporates built-in planters. This design adds greenery and visual interest directly to the fire pit area, softening the hardscape and creating a cohesive look. Choose heat-tolerant plants for the planters and ensure proper drainage. As we conclude our exploration of garden design with fire pits, we hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and inspired you to envision the transformative potential of incorporating this captivating feature into your own outdoor sanctuary. A fire pit is more than just a source of heat. It is an invitation to gather, to relax, and to connect with the elemental beauty of fire within the embrace of your garden. If you found these design ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more expert tips and innovative ideas on transforming your outdoor spaces. We love to hear from you, so share your thoughts and any questions you may have in the comment section below. What are your favorite fire pit design elements? We look forward to connecting with you in our next video.